Sometimes the day-to-day life can get pretty hectic. Ever since I moved into my minivan, it's given me the chance to stop and slow down and appreciate the things around me. I'll take time to read a book or go on a walk or play my guitar, things I really didn't do as often as I'd want when I was living in a sticks and bricks. Living a nomadic lifestyle really opens up the mind and the imagination, and it creates a whole new world of possibilities. It's hard to get stuck in a rut when you have the option to move every day. It's so freeing, and it's been the best choice of my life. Alright, you guys, let's make some lunch. Alright, so we're keeping it simple today. Just gonna do a sandwich and a dill pickle chopped salad kit. Got us some pepper jack. Spoon to mix that up real good. Mix it up real good. Alright, there you got your Vanlife lunch. Nice cozy chair. Chow down. Good. So, I'm out here in Ehrenberg, Arizona. It's a pretty nice spot. We were dealing with a lot of wind for a few days. There's a lot of people cruising around on their ATVs and side-by-sides, kicking up a lot of dust, which was kind of uncomfortable. But things are pretty chill today. I think I'm gonna bust out the guitar and change some strings a little later on. And I need to get into the habit of practicing on a regular basis again. So yeah, we'll see you guys in just a bit.
But living a lie I can't. Oh, I had to cut ties to settle the score. I ain't gonna live like this no more. But I ain't gonna live like this no more. I've been drinking till my body's sore. Ain't touched my bed, just sleep on. But I'm gonna get on much more.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy the sunset for the rest of the evening. And until next time, we'll see you guys on down the road.